In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp button to your GoDaddy website. This can make it a lot easier for your visitors to contact you directly via WhatsApp. Alright, let's jump in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to GoDaddy's website, open up your favorite web browser, and visit the GoDaddy homepage. Once you're there, keep your eyes peeled for the Sign In option in the top right corner of the page. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and click that button. This will take you to the Sign In page. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. From here, look through your list of products and services and find the specific website you want to add the WhatsApp button to. You might have multiple domains and websites listed, so make sure you're selecting the correct one. With the right website in sight, click on it to proceed. Next, you'll see an option to Edit Website. Click on this option and it will take you to the website editor where you can make various changes to your site. This is where the magic happens. Now, within the website editor, locate the Contact Us section. This is where you're going to add your WhatsApp button for visitors to reach out to you quickly and easily. In this Contact Us section, look for an option called WhatsApp Chat Button and click on it. A small toggle switch will appear, which you'll need to turn on. Simply click the toggle to activate the WhatsApp button. Now at this point, you're going to be asked for your WhatsApp number. Make sure you enter it correctly, as this is the number people will use to contact you. Don't forget to include your country code without any additional symbols or characters. Once you've entered your number, it's time to personalize the button label. This label is what visitors will see, so make sure it's clear. You might choose something straightforward like "Chat with us," or whatever suits your brand's voice. Now that you've set everything up, it's time to complete the process by clicking on the Done button. This step saves your progress and implements the changes on your site. Before you finish, it's always good practice to preview your site one last time. Check that the button appears in the right place and functions as expected. If everything looks good, go ahead and publish your changes. And there you have it, a fully functional WhatsApp button on your GoDaddy website. This could greatly improve the way your visitors communicate with you, streamlining interactions and potentially increasing engagement. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough was helpful. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.